Here's another absolute value inequality that I have to solve and I have to graph. So I know that my absolute value is going to be greater than 5. So again, I'm thinking here, if I had a number line, and I was just doing x greater than 5, absolute value of x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I certainly know that all these numbers would have to be there. Anything less than 5 is not going to work until I get to numbers that are less than -5, because -6 will work, -7 will work. So my graph is going to be one of these types that opens up to either side. So my setup has to be, again, in two pieces. I'm going to have 3 minus x is greater than 5. And I'm going to have 3 minus x is less than -5. Those are my two pieces here. How about if I subtract 3 from both sides? So I have -x is greater than 2. And I have to divide by -1 or multiply by -1 to get rid of my negative sign. So I'm going to wind up with x and a -2 over here, but my inequality sign has to flip. So I multiply this side and this side by -1, and I flip my inequality sign. So this is one of my answers right there. Now I'm going to go to the other side. I'm going to do the same thing. I'll subtract 3 from both sides, so I'll have -x is less than -8. I'll multiply both sides by -1, and I get x, flip my inequality sign, is greater than +8. So that's my other answer. So to graph this, not so tough. I make myself a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I see it has to be less than -2. So an open circle, because it doesn't include -2, and going less than, and then more than 8, again, an open circle, and an arrow in that direction.